Welcome to the channel, everyone. Before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe so you never miss our simple explanations. Today, let's meet Sam. Sam is happy. Sam just bought a new car. Sam thinks he's the king of the road, but the road has other plans. Whether it's a distracted driver, a stray deer, or just a really bad weather day, accidents happen, and when they do, they cost money, a lot of money. That's where car insurance comes in. But what exactly is it, and why do you need it? Let's break it down in 5 minutes. Think of car insurance as a financial shield. You pay a small amount regularly, called a premium, to an insurance company. In return, they promise to pay for the big, scary, expensive expenses. If you get into a crash, your car gets stolen or ruined by a storm. Basically, you're trading a small, predictable cost today to avoid a massive, unpredictable catastrophe tomorrow. Now, insurance isn't just one size fits all. There are 3 main types you need to know. First, liability insurance. This is usually required by law. If you cause an accident and hit another stickman named Charlie, liability pays for Charlie's broken car and Charlie's medical bills, but it pays absolutely nothing for your own car. Second, collision insurance. This is for your car. If you hit a tree, a guardrail, or another car, this covers the repairs for your own vehicle, no matter whose fault it was. Third, comprehensive insurance. This covers everything except crashes. If a tree branch falls on your car, it catches fire, or a thief steals it in the middle of the night, Comprehensive has your back. But before the insurance company pays out, there is a catch called the deductible. This is the amount of money you agree to pay out of your own pocket before your insurance kicks in. For example, if your deductible is $500 and your repair bill is $2,000, you pay $500 and the insurance company pays the remaining $1,500. Pro tip: a higher deductible means a lower monthly premium, but make sure you actually have that money saved just in case. Want to keep your insurance cheap? Here's the secret formula for Sam. Number 1. Be a good driver. No speeding tickets. No accidents. Safety equals discounts. Number 2. Shop around. Don't just pick the first company. Always compare quotes. And number 3. Drive a safer car. Cars with good safety ratings and alarms are cheaper to insure. So, drive safe. Protect your wallet and make sure you're covered before you hit the road. If this video helped you understand insurance a bit better, thank you for liking and subscribing, and we'll see you in the next ride. Bye.